Indian Army Chief General M.M. Narawane will be visiting Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates on December 6 for a 4-day visit. This will be the first time when an Indian Army chief visits Saudi Arabia. Narawane will spend 2 days each in both West Asian countries, where a majority of the 9 million Indian expatriates in the Gulf region reside. As per reports, Army Chief will hold meetings with the senior military and civilian leadership. New Delhi has been reaching out to West Asia and bracing strategic ties with the Gulf nations since 2014, and it does not view the Gulf from the prism of Pakistan anymore. External Affairs Minister S. J. Shankar also visited Bahrain and the UAE on November 24 to 26 for enhancing defense and security cooperation, welcoming investment and trade opportunities, getting a share of the new sovereign wealth investment, and ensuring well-being of the Indian expats post-COVID-19. Apart from beefing up the partnership for the region's economic diversification program, India understands that UAE currently chairs the Indian Ocean Rim Association and influences geopolitical developments in the Indian Ocean and the Indo-Pacific. Amid China's increased assertiveness, India and UAE's strategic partnership will also ensure India's maritime security in the Indian Ocean and Indo-Pacific region. These strategic visits to West Asia come at a time when Pakistan's ties with both Saudi Arabia and UAE are loosening. Angered by Islamabad's criticism of Riyadh's position on the Kashmir issue and Pakistan's anti-India stance, Saudi Arabia sought early repayment of a part of the $3 billion loan from the Imran Khan government. With normalizing of ties between Israel and the Gulf countries, Pakistan's anti-Israel stance, despite pressures, is also inviting hostility from the Gulf. In a part tussle between Turkey and Saudi Arabia, with Turkey's President Erdogan's desire of becoming the Ummah of the Islamic world and Pakistan indicating its grouping with Turkey and Malaysia, relations between Riyadh and Pakistan are most likely to worsen.